Hey guys, it's Simply O here. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install a GTA 5 FiveM server directly. Let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to infoserver.com. You want to go ahead and order a virtual machine. That's the best choice you can ever do. I choose 3 cores, but you can select anything you want. So it's 3 cores, and then we go for the initial OS. You select Windows Server 2019. So you're looking at 27 bucks. Next up, you go remote desktop connection to your local server. So this is what it will look like. It'll look empty for you, but I downloaded some stuff. First off, you want to download Google Chrome, and then you want to go in Google Chrome and you want to download XAMPP. I already got it, but I'll show you for demonstration purposes. So we write XAMPP on Google, we go in installer, we click the download, and then we click the XAMPP for Windows selection. Next off, you want to run XAMPP. So basically all these will be stopped. This is what it'll look like. And then you want to click start on the Apache and the MySQL, and you'll leave that for that. So basically this will run your services, your database. Next up, you want to create a custom folder in your Windows, wherever you want to have the server. I already created a folder, empty folder called YouTube server. And you want to go ahead and get the files ready. So first off, you go into runtime.fivem.net. I'll put the link below. You hit the latest recommended version. You download that and you extract it into the folder. Really simple. All right, so what you do is you drag everything in here, Control A, and then you drag everything into your folder. There you go. So next off, we're gonna go ahead and download the resources. The link will be below in description. You're gonna go click on code and download zip. You're gonna go ahead and click the folder, the raw file. We're gonna go ahead and click it once and then drag the resources into our main folder. There you go. Next off, you want to create a server.cfg file. So what we'll do, we'll click view, and then we'll click file name extensions to help us up. So we'll click new, we'll click text document, we'll edit this complete text, write server.cfg, and yes, there you go. So we'll go ahead to FiveM and get the example server data. We'll go ahead and copy this in, and there you go. So what you want to do is you want to, this is a lot of unnecessary stuff you're gonna not touch. So the resources you have here is if you want to add a new one. I'll show you later on. First thing I want to do is I want to set my tag to roleplay, so you can search it for roleplay. I want to set my my server primary language to ENUS. I'm not gonna touch the banner. I want to set the host name to YouTube test. I'm not gonna touch the icon. You can basically remove this hashtag and then load the mylogo.png if you have one. You can add yourself as an admin. Basically what you do is you copy this last line. Right here, you add your Steam ID, and then I'll add you as admin. Next up, we're gonna disable OneSync as it's a paid option. We're gonna set the max client to 32. We're gonna go into this site and get our Steam key. Unfortunately, I can't show you this, so I'll blur it out. There you go. Next up, we want to get the license key from keymaster.fivem.net. This is also a secret license key for you only, so I can't show you this. So I decided to create 2 brackets around it, and then I'll add it. Boom. One thing we're going to do after server.cfg is we're going to create a server.bat file. What we'll do, we'll create a text document again. We'll write starter.bat. We'll go ahead and right click this and edit it. We'll go ahead and copy this text. I'm going to put it in the description. I'm going to write the path to your server. So mine is, let's copy this. They go C YouTube server and then the FXServer.exe, and you save it and close it. So basically the next step is port forwarded. So the first thing you do, you go into firewall, you click advanced settings, click inbound rules. I've already added 2, but I'll do it for purposes. You click new rule, you click port. Next, you add TCP. The port is 301020. You click next, you allow the connection. You don't touch this, and then you write FiveM TCP and finish it. So we're gonna do that again, but with the UDP. You click port, UDP, 301020. Next, allow, next, write the name FiveM UDP, and then finish. When you're ready, you come here, click ServerStarter.bat, and launch your server. We'll go ahead and launch the game and get into it. What you do here, you click play, you add your IP, and then you see your server connect. By the way, if you get any errors such as the chat is not working or the server crash, go ahead and go into the cache, delete the cache, and then go back and restart the server by clicking on the ServerStarter.bat. That should fix any problems with the resources not loading. So after the minigame is done, the loading menu is loaded, you load up and you're in. As you see, the server is up and running. So if you want to add a resource or you want to add something like a roleplay framework, ESX, VRP, whatever, go ahead and tell me in the comments and I'll help you. If you want to see more of my content, remember to like, subscribe, and comment.